Welcome, Galaxy M53 users. The update you've been waiting for is finally here. Samsung has started rolling out the Android 15-based One UI 7.0 update, beginning in South Korea. This marks the start of a wider release that should soon reach other regions. A user on Samsung's official Korean forum confirmed that their Galaxy Quantum 3, the South Korean variant of the M53, received the update. Along with the major software upgrade, the package includes the May 2025 security patch, enhancing your phone's protection against vulnerabilities. So, what can you expect from One UI 7.0? The new update brings a complete redesign of the user interface. Say goodbye to the old icons. One UI 7.0 introduces fresh, modern app icons and a cleaner notification panel. The Quick Settings toggle is now separated for easier access, and the app drawer switches to vertical scroll for a smoother browsing experience. Animations throughout the system have been refined for fluidity, making your everyday interactions feel more polished and responsive. But the update isn't just skin deep. One UI 7.0 also introduces brand new features like live notifications and the Now bar. These tools keep you informed in real time, displaying ongoing activities such as timers, stopwatches, and even sports scores right at the top of your screen while you're using your device. And when your phone is locked and idle, the Now bar appears at the bottom on the lock screen, giving you quick access to essential info without unlocking your device. Despite being over 3 years old, the Galaxy M53 is far from outdated. Samsung has confirmed that it will receive Android 16-based One UI 8.0 in the future. This update is currently in testing on the Galaxy S25 series and promises even more improvements when it becomes available to eligible devices. While there's no official release date yet, Galaxy M53 owners can look forward to continued software support and fresh features down the line. If you're in South Korea and haven't updated yet, here's how to get the latest version of One UI. Simply go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap Download and Install. One UI 7.0 revitalizes the Galaxy M53 with a fresh look and powerful new features, making your trusted mid-range device feel brand new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on Samsung devices.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.